Hello everyone. I hope and pray that all of you are safe and healthy at the cozy comfort of your homes. As a teacher, I never thought that I would miss my students and my classrooms so much. But I am born to teach and I shall teach. The digital media enables me to reach out thousands of learners through my YouTube channel Novel InfoServe. Please follow the link given below. Today we are going to learn about network topologies in computer network. So what is network topology? The network topology is nothing but the arrangement of the computers. The network administrator is going to decide what type of network is to be set up, and for that we need to follow the different types of topologies in order to set up a correct network topology. The types of network topology: bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. The first one is the bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable when it has exactly two endpoints. You can see in the figure there is a single backbone cable and the rest of the nodes were connected to this single cable, and each node has connected to this point. We call it as a drop line. The second node is connected to the cable and that is a second drop line. Third node is connected to the cable and it is a third drop line. And one more important point we need to notice here is the data direction is in only one way, that is, it is a unidirectional. The features, it transmits the data in only one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable. And what are the advantages? The main advantage is it is very cost effective and the network is very easy to install, easy to follow, and it is advised that this type of network topology is used to set up if there are only few number of computers to set up in a network. If the number of computers increases, then the overhead also increases. As you can see here, it is used in small networks. It is easy to understand and easy to expand, but only for the limited number of computers. Then what are the disadvantages? The only disadvantage with this type of network is, since all the computers were connected to a single backbone cable, if that cable fails, then the entire network fails. The second disadvantage is if any one node fails, then also the entire network fails. The second one is ring topology. So what is ring topology? It is called ring topology because it forms a ring-like structure. The computers are arranged in such a way that to form a ring. And in this ring topology also the data transmission is in only one direction. The number of computers can be added or deleted very easily. If the number of computers were extended, then they will install the repeaters. They will use the repeaters to connect to the node. The repeaters carries the signals without losing the data. Suppose in a ring network, if there are 100 computers, then if the first computer wants to send an information to the 100th computer in the network, in that case the repeaters carries the information without losing any data. It means it prevent the data loss. Repeaters are used in the network. The advantages of ring topology. So transmitting network is not affected by high traffic. Adding or deleting the nodes will not affect the entire network. And very easy to install, and it is very cheap to install. The disadvantage is troubleshooting is very difficult in ring topology. Adding or deleting the computer disturbs the entire network. And the third main disadvantage is if any one node fails, then the entire network fails. And the next one is star topology. In this type of topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. You can see in the diagram there is a central node, central hub is there, and the rest of the computers were connected to this central hub, and the data transmission is very fast. Adding or deleting the nodes in this network will not affect the entire network. It is very easy to install, very easy to follow, and very easy to troubleshoot. So features: every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. Hub acts as a repeater, can be used with a twisted pair cable, optical fiber cable, or coaxial cable. So advantage: the data transmission is very fast. Hubs can be upgraded very easily, easy to troubleshoot, easy to set up and modify. Only that node is affected which has failed. Rest of the nodes can work very smoothly. The disadvantage is the installation cost is very high and it is very expensive. And the main disadvantage of this network is if the central hub fails, then the entire network fails. Mesh topology. Mesh topology, it is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. If you see in the diagram, all the nodes are connected to one and each other. Every node is connected to each and every node in the network. Advantages of mesh topology: each connection can carry its own data load. It is robust in nature. Fault is diagnosed very easily. It provides security and privacy. The disadvantage of this network is installation and configuration is very difficult. Cabling cost is also very high because there is a lot of cabling is involved in this. So we need a bulk wiring to set up this network. Otherwise the network works very fine. If any one node fails, still the entire network will function and it will not affect the network. Still the rest of the nodes were able to send and receive the information. The only disadvantage is the cabling. Lot of cablings are it is very difficult for the network administrator to manage and set up the network. Tree topology. It has a root node. And all other nodes are connected to it to form a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should be at least have 3 levels to the hierarchy. So features of tree topology is ideas if workstations are located in groups, used in wide area network. Then the advantages of this network is extension of bus and star topology. With the root node, we can extend the hierarchy as a star topology or bus topology, and it is very easy to follow and easy to manage. And error detection is also very easy. If you consider the disadvantage, heavy cabling is involved. If nodes are added or deleted, then in that case the maintenance will be very difficult. And the main disadvantage of this tree topology is if the central hub fails, then the entire network fails. Otherwise the tree topology works very fine. And the next is hybrid topology. As the name itself indicates, the hybrid topology, it is a combination of 2 or more different network topologies. It is 2 different types of topologies, which is a mixture of 2 or more topologies. For example, if in our office, if they are set up a ring topology, and in our lab, if we are set up a star topology, then we can have a combination of these 2 network in order to follow a single network. So we can combine those 2 networks and we can maintain it very easily. So the advantages of this topology is it is reliable, error detection is very easy, troubleshooting is also very easy, and it is cost effective, scalable as in size, and can be increased very easily and very flexible. And the disadvantage is it is very complex to design and very costly. So this is all about the topologies, and in the next video we will see about different types of networks. Till then, thank you.